Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What I'm going to show you here is how you can export an animation once you're done with it. So when you're going to turn an animation into Google Classroom, you do not want to send me your workable file because I can't open it that way. So you want to send me a GIF. So we're going to pretend I have a complete animation on this screen right here, even though it's completely blank. What we're going to do when you're all done, save it so that way you have your workable file in case you need to make any changes to it. But once you save it, go to File, Export, Export Animated GIF. All of this stays the same. You will see a preview of your animation on here. All this information stays the same. Hit Save. Once this window opens, you're going to choose where to put it. You're going to put it in your design folder. What I recommend is within your design folder, create an animation folder, and all your animations are going to go right in there. So I'm not going to do that because remember we've talked about my computer is set up differently than yours, but you're going to put it in your design folder and hit save, and then it'll animate. It'll be just fine. The file that you give me, I can open up right in the web browser. You do not have to have a special program to open it. That is the file that you upload to Google Classroom to hand it in to me.